Hi guys, welcome back, and we're
Hey
playing
guys!
Minecraft. Hi Abby.
Hey! If you
So
don't know
let's
me, I'm Aaliyah's friend Abby. You probably won't know me, but you know.
let's play some Minecraft.
Yeah, today we're going to be
Minecraft.
playing Minecraft. And we're
It's
going to be playing this new Bed Wars limited time mode called Rush. No idea what it is?
it's probably including rushing people, obviously.
Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, probably.
I
Oh well.
hate rushing.
Too late now.
I hate speed building, like
Oh,
speed
freaking
bridges.
hell, that pisses me off.
I hate it all. If I rage, don't mind me, people. Just block your ears. There could be. Oh, by the way, there could be swearing in this video because.
Yeah,
Oh,
there
the
is.
bed's already done. How wicked!
Oh, yeet! I got an emerald.
An emerald. Oh my god, I love this.
I don't know how to play this though.
I'm gonna marry
Hey,
this.
we can still cover our bed though.
Oh, cool. I'm gonna see if anyone's coming.
Oh wait, no we can't. Oh wait, yes we can.
Okay, so I'm gonna build the diamonds. Oh, you're glitching.
Did you build up, Aaliyah?
No.
Oh
Oh,
my god. Wait, when we place a block down, it automatically builds for us. Yo, that's sick. That's actually so cool. Answer the phone, you weirdos.
oh, sorry.
So cool when we place a block down.
What the?
Look, it like it builds for you. Look. See?
What the going on?
Alright, I don't like this.
Me either. Oh fuck, I hate this.
I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't
Take our
like
bed.
it.
Take
We
it,
have.
cunt. I don't want it.
Hey. Oh, I tried flying.
Lol.
No.
Lol. You knocked him off into the void.
Lol. Shame.
I know,
I have
right?
emeralds on me. Little piece of shit.
I do not like this game mode.
Me neither, and I'm never playing it again.
Me too. Let's just play
Safe
casual.
to say that,
Casual.
right?
Sorry, guys, if you're like really good at this and we're like really crap.
We're really.
Sorry to offend you. Sorry to crush your dreams. But we're never playing this.
We'll play some normal Bed Wars soon. Don't worry.
Like,
Trust me, this ain't gonna last very long. Aaliyah, what did you even do here?
I tried to like build like normally, but like it didn't fucking work. And I was like so pissed off. Don't mind me, I just broke someone's bed.
Oh my god, good job.
Oh,
Was that greens?
yeah.
Good job.
And then never coming back. Thankfully.
See ya.
Yeet.
That mid, he had emeralds on him.
GG.
I literally just stole it off him.
Little shithead. I'm gonna kill you, you wait. You wait, Green. You fucking wait.
Well, we've already killed one, so he's on his own. Luckily, he hasn't got the emeralds because I put them in the end chest.
Can't better wait.
Where is he? Did he go back to his base?
Come on, Ed. Come on. What? 11 hearts! Fuck me, mate. Oh, this can't
He's got
better
a
wait.
diamond sword. I need to get an iron one. I mean, it won't be hard, but you know, I'm just saying. Almost.
Stuff everyone.
How is it? Is he coming to our base? He probably is. He's probably gonna get revenge and then. Oh, he fell and I got his shit.
Good. Okay, well, I need some armor. How much is armor? Oh, can you, what
Wait,
is it called?
Yeah.
Improve our,
I don't have enough diamonds for it.
Someone enderpearled here.
No, they didn't. That was me.
Oh, good. What are you enderpearling to your own base for?
I didn't even end a pearl.
Someone did.
No, it was because I didn't have enough to buy the thing, so it went off.
Oh, that's a weird sound. I'm desperate. I need this.
Wait.
Yes.
Hold up.
Oh, just remember, you can get enderpearl emeralds from green. You know that.
Wait, we've already got Molten Forge. We can't upgrade the forge anymore, you dumbass.
Shit. Well, damn. I'm gonna get diamond armor.
Alright. Oh, do you have enough for it too?
Yeah.
It's got it. Actually, I bought this diamond sword and I'm gonna put it in my ender chest until our bed is broken. Then use it, and I'll just keep
Come on,
my iron sword.
pussy. Red was at green.
Oh. But stupid golden. What name is that? Wait, is someone at our
There. Green, red.
Oh my god, they're just going. They're not stopping. Oh my god, Aaliyah.
What a fucking retard.
I got them all.
Good.
It's 6:45.
Oh,
Pass
wait
me
a
the
minute.
diamonds. Not on the bridge. Oh,
Yeah, I'll put them in our chest.
yeah, because I just fell off.
Huh, lucky.
Yay.
I wanted to fall off and die and crack my open head.
Yep. Sounds pretty accurate. I hear tripping in finesse.
I don't make no sense. Tripping in finance.
You know it.
I can't sing for shit. Aqua.
Where?
Building up. Aqua, white, same thing. Probably not
scared
the
him.
same thing. There we go.
Can I make this jump? I hope I can.
I hope he dies. I hope I die. This little cunt.
I'm going to Aqua. I'm going to try and kill White off by going to Aqua. Because there is a lot of...
There's like so many fucking blocks everywhere. Oh, it's confusing me.
I'm shifting, so hopefully they don't know I'm coming. Shift, Aaliyah, you dumb.
There's invisible blocks, be careful. I don't know how. Fail! I hope you die in a hole, cunt.
Wait, but then they'll know I'm coming. Hold on. Oh my god. Please don't have seen me.
Oh. You know why White's coming for us? It's just me and frickin' us and White. Damn it. Little cunts wanna go, eh? Fight me, bitch!
No. One more layer. Come on. No. Oh my god, I was right there!
You know what? I'm gonna get a fucking diamond sword and kill these cunts.
I have a diamond sword. I don't want to waste it.
Well, sorry, but I am. I'm getting... What else do I need? I need a bow. I need some arrows. I need to get some freaking fireballs to fireball these bitches. I need some wool, sorry.
Please make it. Please land on some. Oh, you're a fucking dickhead, aren't you? I need one more emerald. What just happened? What is happening?
That was me, sorry.
Oh, you fucking mutt. Come on, one more emerald. Ugh. Are they here? Or are they here or are you at their base? Aaliyah?
Fuck me, I died!
Are they here?
Out! God, mate.
Oh my god, no, piss off, White.
Shame! Did you just see that? He just like killed himself. Don't start a new game. I'm still alive and I can still get them.
So am I. I end up held to mid.
Oh my god, really? They won't even know. Oi.
Just try not to die. I'm going over to red.
Fuck, I died.
Oh, yay.
Oh, sad. I'm gonna drink.
But the thing is, they won't know where I am. Wait, ender pearls are only 2 emeralds. Shit.
Well, shit.
Yeah, you know.
They're at our
They don't know where
base.
I am. Yeah, they probably don't know where I am, that's why.
Lol.
I'm gonna go to their base. Let's buy a couple of invis pots and a jump pot and another invis. Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna have some water, cause fuck me. No! Game over.
Alright, well.
Well, after coming that far in the game, I don't think it's that bad. I just hate how the blocks like place automatically. It fucking pisses me off. Do you want to play Sky Wars or whatever it's called? Or Build Battle? Cause we're gonna lose. Hello? Oh, yay, we're playing Sky Wars.
Yeah.
Insane mode. Okay.
Boy.
Is it doubles? Oh, thank God. I can't do good without a teammate. I'm just speaking the truth. Okay. Anyway, Oh, I like Lucky Blocks. You know that one? Yeah, that one's good.
Oh no, I'm not on your team.
What? Oh, shit. Got me.
Kidding.
Come on.
Just JKing.
I'll
There's a bow
get it.
down here for you. There's a bow down here for you, Ilya.
Okay, thank you. Oi, Abby, I know you like these and you know how to use them. There you go.
Oh, yeet.
So I need blocks. Let's camp, boy.
Do we have to camp?
If you want to survive. Someone's already trying to fucking kill us. Or is that you? Bitch, fight me! Oi, have your sword out. Fight me, bitch! Fight me! Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm gonna kill